In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add ideal payments to Shopify store. To get started, you will first open your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are logged in, look toward the bottom or side area where you can find the settings option. This is where Shopify keeps most of your store-wide configuration, including payment settings. Next, click Settings. Take a moment here to confirm you are in the main settings area and not a separate page for a theme or product. After you click Settings, a menu or page will appear with different categories. You want the one that specifically controls money collection, checkout options, and payment processing. Now, click Payments. This action is important because it takes you directly to the part of Shopify where you can manage which payment methods customers can use at checkout. On this screen, you will typically see your current payment providers and any instructions Shopify provides for verification or setup. Once you are on the Payments page, you will see a section labeled Additional Payment Providers. This section is designed for adding more options beyond what is already enabled by default. Using additional providers can help you offer the payment methods that match your customers' preferences or that meet the requirements of your business in different regions. In the Additional Payment Providers area, click Add Provider. After you click this, Shopify will take you to a search or selection screen. This is the step where you choose the payment solution that fits your store and the way you want to get paid. The button may be near the end of the page, so it is a good idea to scroll slightly if you do not see it immediately. With Add Provider selected, you will now search for your ideal payment provider. Start typing the name of the provider you want to use. As you type, Shopify should show suggestions or results. Choose the correct provider from the list so you do not accidentally select something else. If the provider you want does not appear right away, double-check the spelling and try again. This search step matters because it determines which setup form you will see next. After you select the provider, the setup flow will begin. At this stage, Shopify may ask you for details such as account information, configuration settings, and confirmation steps. The exact fields can vary depending on which provider you choose, but the goal is always to connect your store to the payment platform you selected. Now complete the setup. Follow the prompts carefully and enter the information requested in the order it appears on screen. If Shopify provides any guidance, such as what information is required or what to double-check, it is best to follow it closely to avoid delays. If you see options about how payments are captured, displayed, or authorized, make selections based on what you want for your checkout experience. As you finish the setup, watch for confirmation messages or status indicators that show the provider has been added successfully. If there are steps such as enabling the provider, verifying your account, or reviewing settings before it becomes active, complete those as well. Once everything is confirmed, your chosen payment provider will be available to customers at checkout, assuming there are no additional restrictions. After the setup is complete, it is a good idea to return to the Payments page and quickly review that the provider you added appears in the list. You can also check that it is enabled or marked as active, depending on how Shopify displays it. This helps you verify that you did not miss a final toggle or confirmation step. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.